Hello, I'm Denisse Guerra, and this is a quick video on how to export your Polycam scan and import it to Unreal Engine. The format that I'll be using, it's the free one, it's GLTF or GLB. It's the one that I found best for Unreal Engine, and I will send it to myself to open in my computer.
Here I have the GLB file with the front side of the lab. I extracted it right here. Make sure you extract your files so you can see them later on when you want to import them to Unreal Engine. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder that I'm going to call frontside GLB. There I will be importing the file. Here, frontside lab. With these settings, the only thing you want to make sure is that inside static meshes, the combined static meshes, it's not enabled. You don't want it to be enabled, and from there you're just gonna import. You're gonna see it's gonna give you all this material, and you don't have to worry about this. This is just from the scan. All the little slightly different colors or textures that it noticed, it's gonna give you everything here. But what you really want to work with is the static mesh that it's gonna give you. For combining all this separate mesh, you want to create a blueprint class. In Actor is fine. I'm gonna call it a front side lab. You'll want to open it. You will open the content drawer, clicking Ctrl Space. Here you're gonna have the same folder. You want to grab everything, all your mesh, starting from this, and from that you're gonna hold Shift until you click on your last mesh. So there you have everything clicked. You're just gonna drag it to the blueprint, and you'll see it's gonna automatically give you your model. You want to do it this way because when you do not enable the combined static meshes, it's actually gonna give you everything separate so you can manipulate it. Because if you combine the meshes, it's just gonna give you just one big mesh that you cannot manipulate. But this way you can move stuff around. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna compile it, and now that it's compiled, I can close it and I can put it in my model. This is the retail lab model that I already had imported. The only thing is that I forgot to scan the front side of the lab. So right here I can leave it. I will adjust it so it's the same size. I will adjust the floor so now the front side is just not floating. And just like that, now we have the front side of the lab that it needs some manual work, but that's something that I'm gonna do later.
So that's how you add your scan to Unreal Engine. I hope it's helpful, and if you have questions, don't hesitate and let me know.